The town of Calasiao, Pangasinan is once again facing a challenge from nature. Amidst the non-stop rain, many barangays were flooded and people had difficulty moving around. In this video, we will try to visit the affected areas and show the real situation.
The situation on the ground.
What is the current state of Calasiao? Come on, join me. Grabe. What barangay is this, ma'am?
Here it is.
Yes, ma'am.
Binlag.
Binlag. Okay.
This is Sitio, Soriano.
Okay, thank you. Good day again, friends. We are here in Binlag, Calasiao, Sitio, Soriano. This is the situation in this area as of today, July 25, 2025. It looks like a sea now. But they said it was even higher during the peak of the heavy rains. See, it's like you're already at sea. Especially when we see it from the drone, it really looks like it's already at sea. The vehicles are already here parked on higher ground. This is the situation now. Let's try to move forward a little, but we also have to make sure we don't fall off the road. The kids said if you fall there, it's deep. That's where we'll end up. Let's just look here. Let's move forward a little. Let's just check out this road. I just want to show you how deep it is in this area. They said it was deeper yesterday. So for now, I hope the rain finally stops so our fellow citizens here won't suffer, especially in the town of Calasiao. Let's stop here for now. I just want to show you, look at this, it looks like a sea already. Those rice fields, when there's no flooding or heavy rain, they're really rice fields. Everything around here, everything you see now looks like a sea. Those are really rice fields. That's the situation now here in Sitio, Soriano, Binlag, Calasiao. So we're going back now. Someone might fall off the edge there. Our motorcycles could have an accident.
Maybe here in our place. Is it already like this where we are?
No,
It just started raining now.
this is a rice field. That's a rice field.
I also forget some things, yes.
We're actually with Vin Motor today.
So much of it looks like the sea.
It turned into a sea. Because of that, it's flooded. Oh, that's so deep. There are a lot of vehicles ahead of us, my friends. I don't know the reason. It looks like it's not passable for motorcycles. Let's check. Look at that. The flood here is really intense. I don't think the motorcycle can handle it. The motorcycle can't handle it, sir. For things like this, have you seen anyone cross? Not yet. So we probably can't cross, my friends. Because according to the people we've asked, it's already deep over there. And it got even deeper. Because earlier, or maybe yesterday, they said the deepest part was over there.
Because now
The water is coming this way. That means it's getting deeper. Because the water from the highlands is coming down. It's coming here to the lowest lying areas in the town of Calasiao. Let's check up ahead, friends. So we can see how deep it is. The tricycles are here. That means it's really not passable because tricycles sit higher off the ground, but they're here. They left them here. Let's check it. Let's try it. They say those small farm vehicles are usually the ones that cross here. Like that. Because it's high. But motorcycles, not yet. We haven't seen anyone on a motorcycle. Let's just fly over it. Look, my friends. The beautiful house is submerged. Do you see that it's submerged? So how are we going to get to town? How will the people here get to town? Bro, what village is this?
It's still Binlag. Oh,
It's still Binlag. How do you get to town?
you can't anymore.
That can be managed. Then there's the farm utility vehicle.
When a funeral passes by, we ride.
Oh, okay. Look, friends. It's really flooded. There are the vehicles here, my friends. Farm utility vehicles. This is what's being used as transportation here now. But let's still try to go there later. We'll go there. As far as our motorcycle can go. We won't go any further. If the motorcycle can't handle it, we won't continue. Only those vehicles can really cross, my friends. That's how high it comes up on the vehicles. This whole village is really submerged. It's a no-go for us. We can't cross. You can see it clearly from the drone, my friends. We won't continue. It's too deep there, as seen on the drone. So we'll look for another way. Let's try going back to San Carlos City. Then we'll go around to the other side.
We can still reach Calasiao town proper.
Carlos. In San Carlos.
For now, my friends, if you're planning to travel, if you're coming from Malasik, going to Calasiao, or heading to Dagupan, this road is really not passable for light vehicles. So let's try another route, the one going to San Carlos. Then from San Carlos, we'll go back to Calasiao if we can cross there. Oh, this is already the road to San Carlos. We noticed that a lot of people are passing by. But it still wasn't spared. It's still submerged in floodwater. Even here, the water is stagnant. Both sides, my friends, soaked in floodwater. On both sides, friends, 5 kilometers. From here all the way to the town of Calasiao. We're really heading to San Carlos. It's on your left. The floods are getting deeper. Let's look at the water here. This is the one. If I'm not mistaken, this is the Marusay River. Hi. When this overflows, my friends, Dagupan is affected. The current is still manageable, but I don't know about other areas if it's already overflowing there. The flood here is really deep, my friends, up ahead. It looks like this is really as far as we can go. We can't cross all the way to the town of Calasiao. The elevation is low right here in this part. Even right here we can already see it. There are already a lot of vehicles left behind. Maybe we should just stop here again. There, look, the vehicles are here. And then we see something. There are small farm vehicles again. We really can't get to Dagupan. Not even to the town of Calasiao. But let's still try. Let's just explore. A lot of people keep coming back. But if it's true, it's just shallow anyway. This is just shallow. The ones we deal with in Bulacan are even deeper. Oh. Let's just stay here in the deep part. I don't know what barangay this is, my friends. The houses here are really submerged. It turns out that the town of Calasiao has officially declared a state of calamity. Which barangay is this, sir? Malabago, Malabago. Barangay Malabago. Calasiao. Look at the houses, poor things. Submerged in flood water. I wonder how many days this will last. It's really not possible, my friends. Only big vehicles. Actually, the ones we cross in Bulacan are even deeper than this. There's a warning sign here. Not possible going to Mancock. Only big vehicles. Maybe automatics can't handle this. But for us, since we're using manual, it's definitely doable. Barangay Malabago. Okay, because it's deep here. It's deep, but up ahead. It's shallow now. Yes. Worth it. There. Wow, deep. That's deep. Yeah. Good thing we caught up with this. It's intense. Made something. There, almost. Here, this corner, Sitio Caron. They're really submerged in flood water here, my friends. That also leads to Barangay Longos. The water flows that way. It's not just like that, you know. Most people really aren't crossing. They're scared of that depth. But we're already used to crossing. Let's cross. The water is finally receding and flowing away. There's a shallow spot here and you can see the footprints, my friends. The water reached up to here earlier. So now it's okay. It's subsiding now. I hope it really doesn't rain anymore so the water keeps going down. This area is elevated. That's why many leave their cars here. These are the marks left by the water. But I'm sure motorcycles can't go any further ahead. But let's just observe as well. Let's still try to go all the way there. If we can actually reach town, because that's our goal, right? To reach the town of Calasiao. But with flooding like this, we're used to passing through the middle, friends. I mean, that's already the deeper section. It's very deep. That's why I mentioned the deeper section earlier. Let's pass through the middle here because this is the shallowest part. It's really deep. Actually, we came from over there earlier, from Barangay Binlag. It was too deep over there earlier. That's why we're here now. But I think this is as far as we can go, friends. We really can't go any further ahead. But it seems like it's calming down now. Is it getting shallower now? Or did it get deeper? Wasn't it shallower earlier? Really? We want to reach the town.
No.
Really? You really can't do it, right? At least yours can make it there. There's a part that's deep there.
He can do it.
He managed.
And I already tried here the other day.
Oh, really?
They can make it.
Just don't let it take in any water there. What is this? Salt water or something else? Wow. If we look over there in the distance, that's where we came from earlier, my friends. We couldn't cross because it's really deep there. There's a pickup truck crossing, my friends. It's moving slowly. And there are no strong waves coming toward it. There, it's just moving slowly. It can cross, that's high enough. Now, if you want to go all the way to town, walk the motorcycle. Don't start it. That's safer. Okay. It's really deep there. We really can't go. Wow. Awesome. Just a tractor. It's powerful. Wow. This one's tough. When it's like that, it's fast. Yung wave. Our fellow countrymen here are really in a tough situation, my friends. They're really forcing their way through this. Even that guy is heading back because it's hard. If you break down there, it's even more of a headache. Even the pickup has turned back. Go, Reza, go, Reza. Let's move forward a bit. Let's walk up to there, my friends. Let's check it out. Let's see what we can find up ahead. As far as this motorcycle can go. I think this is where it ends. I'm scared. There's a lot of floating trash over there. Look.
We can say that. We can say that.
Driving here is nice, isn't it? It's like you're playing in floodwater. It's already deep here. Let's just stay here. here. If it's here. Look at that current. That house is pitiful. It's flooded. It's like a river, my friends. These are really the vehicles being used the most right now, my friends. Tractors and farm utility vehicles. And also those high clearance vehicles. Like that pickup over there. It's really high, isn't it? That's why it really can't be reached by the flood. Wow, solid.
All right.
Friends, this is really as far as we can go because we saw it on the drone. From here, it's approximately 3 kilometers to where our drone reached. It's really all water and our motorcycles can't handle it. So this is where my video ends. Thank you, and I hope this update helped you. As of July 25, this road in Calasiao is really impossible for light vehicles. It really got isolated because even the roads from Santa Barbara and Dagupan are completely flooded. That's why the town of Calasiao is isolated for now. So see you on the next video for our updates about those affected by the flood. Thank you.